edit everything here. So this is now the customizer. This is the place for the logo. This is the, as you can see, this is the place for the background. Okay, you can disable or you enable background if you like. All right, if you enable background, you can change the background to whatever you like. You can choose a background. Okay, you can decide to select a particular background and then upload the background. Okay, you can see. All right, so as you can see, we are in the free version. If you want to enable video, maybe you want video to just be showing in the background, you can also select and upload the videos. Okay, so here you can see login customized form. As you can see, this color here is a brown color. You can decide to choose and then maybe change the color to something that's just like something nice. Okay, all right, so you can enable transparent. If you don't want any color, you disable transparent. All right, yes. So let's continue. So here you can see something like radius, width. So you can, if you want to maybe change the length from top, you can see this. You can see this is the width. All right, maybe you want to make it something like this. So this is the height. You can increase it down up to this place. You see something fancy like that. All right, so you also see these curves. You might want to change this curve. All right, that is the radius. You see the effect. I want something like this. Yes. Okay, let's continue. So around here, I don't know if you might notice some shadow. There's some kind of shadow, maybe because of the kind of background I'm using. All right, so let me quickly change the background. Let me change it. Let me just remove this background. Okay, so as I've removed this background, it automatically chose this one for me. Maybe I should just make it this back. So if you notice this edge, there's some kind of shadow there. Yes. All right, so now when you come here, you click on customize login form. So we want to customize this login form. All right, so this is the shadow that I'm talking about. You can see the shadow. Here you can see, and when I increase this, see the shadow is now taking effect. So I just want to keep it at 10, or you can just type in 10 there. All right, just make it 11 or maybe 15, or you just drag this. All right, still take effect. Then the shadow, maybe the spread, the opacity, I want to leave it as form footer. Okay, so on yours you are going to see something like this. You see something like this. Notice this place, you see some writing down here on yours. So if you decide maybe you just want to promote the developers of this particular plugin, you might want to leave it there, but if you don't want, you can just turn it off. Okay, so and if you want to enable a copyright note, maybe down here you might do something like that, and just click on enable copyright, and then maybe you write something. Then what again, now let's go. This is a Google font. You might want to choose a particular font which you like, but this is in the premium version. Okay, so there's one particular thing also. You might want to disable this. You might want to remove this register or lose your password. You can just click on this. Okay, click on that button. So it's either enable it or disable it. Enable it or disable it. You see, I want to disable it. I just want to input my password and then I log into the page. I don't want where someone will try to be trying to access my admin area. Okay, but if you want, you can leave it there. So for this particular logo, you might want to click on this button or you click on this. Okay, then you upload the particular image you want. Okay, you might want to disable it or you want to enable it. Okay, yes, and the width as well, you can change it, you can customize it. As you can see, that's the height for the logo. Okay, the space at the bottom of the logo. Okay, yes, the logo title, in case the logo is not there, do you want to make the logo a clickable logo, then you just type your URL there. Okay, you type it. Okay, then you put your domain name. All right, you type your domain name there. Okay, so what else, and then if you want to change the background, you see this button here and click on that. Okay, it will easily, maybe if you don't know, just hover on this particular place, you see that, just click on it, or if you want to change templates, just click on that. Okay, so you can choose the particular template you want, but all this is in the premium version. But we are okay with this. We can easily customize this just the way I've shown it to you. Okay, so if you're able to get the premium version, you can decide to go for it. Okay, so you can be able to customize your page to make it look more fancy. Okay, all right, so, but this is how you can easily change your login admin area, and there are some other securities. Yes, so on our YouTube channel there are some other security that you might want to check. Okay, yes, so here's it. You can see this particular option here. All right, so you can, maybe if you want to clone a website, okay, maybe if you want to add a return to top button just the way you are seeing on our platform here, let me click on publish. Okay, so I'm going to publish this. I forgot. So once done, you just click on publish, and then maybe you just, yes, okay, so now just click on it and see everything is working fine. So if you want to add something like this, return to top button without a plugin, this is just code. Okay, so you can check our YouTube channel, just check this particular post, it is right there. It's going to show you how you are going to set up that. You don't need a plugin for that. Yes, and if you want to learn how to clone an entire website with just one click, you can also check on this and also check on this. All right, so guys, so if you are new to our channel, kindly comment, like, share, and you may considering hitting the subscribe button for more updates from our YouTube channel. All right guys, see you in the next one, and peace.